What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. You guys can tell from the title, today we're gonna be doing an install on this brown chocolate wig, which is really cute. Like, is she not giving? Like, exactly, she very much giving. So make sure you guys go shop this chocolate wig down below in the description. Everything will be linked down below. Shout out to Alipearl hair for sending me this beautiful unit. Like, I'm in love. This might be one of my favorite colors, and it's not even really a color, but it's like, it's so, like, it just goes, like, it just goes super perfect on my skin. Like, this is 28-inch straight, but I just curled a little bit. But yeah, make sure you guys go shop Alipearl hair. The link will be down below in the description. And let me show y'all what they sent me with the wig. They sent me a lot of goodies, period. So I got this white edge brush. Shout out to them. Thank y'all so much. We also got an edge wrap, I think, or it's like a scarf to go over, you know, your head if you want to do a scarf look. And then we got an edge wrap right here. Shout out to Alipearl. Super cute. They also sent me some lashes. Period. Thank y'all. And they also sent me a wig cap. Thank y'all so much. And they also sent the bag for the wig. Like, they send it all, period. Thank y'all so much. Make sure you guys go shop Alipearl here. This wig is super cute. Like, it gave everything it's supposed to give. I barely plucked it. Like, and she giving scalp very much, as y'all can see. Don't play with me. But yeah, we're gonna get into this wig install. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think. And do not forget to go shop this wig. Everything will be down below in the description. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. Feeling my heart, feeling my soul, feeling my body. Feeling my heart, feeling my soul, feeling my body.
And I wonder. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed you. If you see me ballin' in my bitch ball, all my niggas ballin' like I'm rich ball. Said I finna Audi, I'ma lift off. All your bitches do Pilates when you wrist dog. So if she can't pop a squat, then that's a rip off. Keep a CDG, y'all niggas ripped off. Young nigga been, I think that he the only one. That nigga magistrated with some Jordan 1. If it ain't issy, then it's me. New old, new blows. Bad bitch with frontals. And we shoot movies, not photos. She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
I've been waiting on this my whole life.
She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
You know what? Maybe you're right. Find your dreams come true.
And I wonder. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed you. If you see me ballin' in my bitch ball, all my niggas ballin' like I'm rich ball. Said I finna Audi, I'ma lift off. All your bitches do Pilates when you wrist dog. So if she can't pop a squat, then that's a rip off. Keep a CDG, y'all niggas ripped off. Young nigga been, I think that he the only one. That nigga magistrated with some Jordan 1. If it ain't issy, then it's me. New old, new blows. Bad bitch with frontals. And we shoot movies, not photos. She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
I've been waiting on this my whole life.
She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
You know what? Maybe you're right. Find your dreams come true.
And I wonder. 16 missed calls. Sorry I was busy, but I missed you. If you see me ballin' in my bitch ball, all my niggas ballin' like I'm rich ball. Said I finna Audi, I'ma lift off. All your bitches do Pilates when you wrist dog. So if she can't pop a squat, then that's a rip off. Keep a CDG, y'all niggas ripped off. Young nigga been, I think that he the only one. That nigga magistrated with some Jordan 1. If it ain't issy, then it's me. New old, new blows. Bad bitch with frontals. And we shoot movies, not photos. She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
I've been waiting on this my whole life.
She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
You know what? Maybe you're right.
Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, feel that you do know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, feel that you do know. trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body takes that that you do know. But I'll never fall out of love with you. You, you, you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fight. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go shop Alipearl hair. Everything will be down below, linked in the description. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. I think it was very much like easy to install. I barely had to pluck it. Like the lace is giving scalp, as y'all can see. Like it's just everything like beautiful, really long, real soft, don't tangle at all, like barely shed. So yeah, make sure you guys go shop Alipearl hair. Let them know Shay sent you, okay, period. And yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and I will catch y'all in my next one.